Leaders presents a comprehensive range of low-smoke halogen-free fittings to use with conduits, completing a safe and reliable electrical wiring system. These fittings are made of non-halogen compounds that have been specifically formulated to produce little smoke or no hazardous gases in the event of fire. Low-smoke halogen-free fittings are highly desirable for electrical installations where fire safety is critical, such as transportation systems, healthcare facilities, and other buildings with high occupant loads. These fittings include waterproof adjustable boxes suitable for both surface mounting and flush mounting applications, single and double switch boxes for device housing, junction boxes shallow and deep, each come in 5 configurations, 90-degree sweat band, standard band, and solid elbows for conduit connections. Female adapters, male adapters that for use with rigid conduits and flexible tubing to connect with electrical boxes, couplers, and clips. Leaders' low-smoke halogen-free conduit fittings are available in white, black, and gray colors to complement different interior and architectural styles. They have been tested to achieve zero flame propagation rating as per the UL-94 standard, indicating that they will self-extinguish and will not spread a flame when ignited. The fittings are ultraviolet light stabilized, enabling them to withstand degradation from prolonged sun exposure without compromising on performance or aesthetics. The operating temperature range is from -45 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, suitable for both cold storage warehouse and industrial environments. They're easy to install, saving time and effort during electrical projects, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing quality. Leaders' low-smoke halogen-free fittings comply with key industry standards such as IEC 60670 for box enclosures, UL-94 for flammability, IEC 61386 for conduit systems, ASTM for density of smoke and toxic gases testing. Independent certifications and testing reports that these standards provide assurance of the fittings quality, safety, and reliability. The halogen-free formulation and reduced smoke characteristics add an extra layer of protection in the unfortunate event of fire by limiting the potential of toxic gases inhalation. Beyond the basics, Leaders offers customization options, expert guidance, and ongoing support to ensure that your electrical projects are not just functional but exceptional. Any other questions, leave us a comment or email us.